In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Framer CMS. We'll walk through a simple workflow that shows you where to find your content, how to review its structure, and how to publish changes with confidence, all inside a Framer project. Start by opening your Framer project. For this demo, I'm using a project called Popular Domain, but you can follow along with any project that already has CMS set up. Once the project is open in the Framer editor, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the CMS. This is the hub where your structured content lives, separate from the visual design canvas. Next, head into Collections. Collections are your content types, things like blog posts, team members, or features, each with consistent fields. Opening Collections gives you a top-level overview of everything your site manages in the CMS. From within a specific collection, open Fields. Fields define what each item in that collection contains, such as titles, images, rich text, toggles, or references to other content. Take a moment to scan these fields so you understand what editors will fill out and which fields are required. This quick review helps prevent validation errors later when you add or edit items. Now, go to Plugins. Plugins extend what your CMS can do, from optimizing images to helping with metadata or external syncs. Even if you don't plan to add or change plugins right now, it's useful to see what's already active so you know how your content is being enriched or automated. Return to Collections. If you're nested inside a collection or a specific item, click Collections again to move up a level. Depending on where you are in the hierarchy, you might click Collections more than once until you're fully back at the Collections overview. The goal is to get to the main screen where all your content types are clearly listed. Locate and open the entry labeled Highlight. In many setups, this is a featured item or a toggle-driven entry that controls a highlighted section on your site. Open it to review its fields, confirm that the data looks correct, and make any necessary adjustments according to your project's content model. When you're satisfied, click Publish. Publishing in Framer pushes your content changes live to your published site. If a confirmation or environment selector appears, proceed as appropriate for your workflow. Finally, click Update to confirm and complete the process. Your changes to the highlight entry and any other edits you reviewed are now live. That's the full pass. Open your project, navigate CMS, explore collections, review fields and plugins, return to the collections overview,